But I'm most intrigued by, and I don't know why I'm most intrigued by this. I do feel like there's a use case to license your own point of view, especially if you are an expert at some point or known for something unique in your line of work. I think that will happen more, particularly as the white collar workforce gets disrupted by AI. And so I think this is going to be a part of a new way of how we work, where we begin to, instead of thinking about it as consulting or what have you, we begin to license our point of view in addition to other forms of labor. So I think that's interesting. But I also think what's really interesting is how to license your point of view to another person,
Ooh,
right? And so thinking about if Asante has her AI that she's using, and maybe she is, working on a new startup idea that she, might want to bring to market. It would be super compelling if me, having the background that I have, I can license my point of view to Asante, and it can be a layer over top of her own
right.
AI in addition to her own data. So again, the way that we're thinking about it is at the bottom layer is like this general intelligence layer of AI. Then we have Asante's personal data layer. So things that are important to her that skew this bottom layer. And then you have another lens that you can put on it that even fine tunes the output even more. So that's a good way to think about it.
Lens and layers. Yes.
I
Yes.
love that. Lens and layers. Why
Lens
does
and
that sound like a
layers.
brunch?
A brunch where we discuss AI and
Yeah,
our
exactly.
POV assets.